Welcome. In today's video, we're going to learn how to pin a message on Discord using your Android device. Pinning messages can be a great way to highlight important information in your conversations, so let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your Android device. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Next, find the contact you want to pin a message to. This could be a friend, a group chat, or even a server. Just tap on the chat icon, and you'll be taken to your list of conversations. Once you've found the right contact, select their conversation to proceed. Now that you're in the chat, scroll to find the message you want to pin. Whether it's a key piece of information, a fun meme, or an important reminder, make it the one you want everyone to see. Once you've located the message, tap and hold it. A menu will pop up with several options, but don't worry, we're just looking for one. Select Pin Message from the menu. This action will highlight the message in the conversation, making it easier for others to reference it later. Finally, a confirmation window will appear asking if you're sure you want to pin this message. Tap Yes to confirm. And that's it. Your message is now pinned and easy to find for everyone in the chat. Thanks for watching. Now you know how to pin a message on Discord using your Android device. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.